Hi everyone, this is Cozy Woovers. Welcome to my cozy corner of creativity. In here you'll find every crochet tutorial that you need, and I also take crochet tutorial requests. So I posted this on my shorts a few days ago. Despite the fact that we got only 2 comments, the yes have it clocking. For the materials, these are the colors of yarn that I used, and this is the brand up there. No, these are not the colors used in the inspo, but these are my choices of colors, and you should feel free to choose the colors that you want for yourself as well. See right here, 4.5 mm hook is what I'm going to be using for this project. Next is our scissors, measuring tape to keep to measurement. So I don't know if I mentioned earlier, but this yarn is 3-ply, so using a double strand is making it 6-ply, and so just, I don't know if I've said it before, but I just felt like I've not said it. Okay, so let's go straight to the tutorial, guys. Now we're going to start by making a slip knot. You already know how to do that, but if you don't know, just follow my lead. After you make your slip knots, we're going to make chains. Oh my god, look at who said follow my lead. Did I just made a mistake? Okay, once you're done with your slip knot, you're going to make chains. Now this is going to be different for everyone, but for me, this is how I did my measurements. Okay, from your chest through your underarm to the place you want the top to stop. So the full measurement for my own to the center of my back is 18 inches, but you remember we must always remove 3 inches at least when we have a strap at the back. So that leaves me with 15 inches, and I'm a large. Okay, so 15 inches for me, and I'm going to make chains that is going to be enough for that, and that is 55 chains. So I'm going to go ahead and make my 55 chains, and when I'm done I will come back to you to show you what I have. So guys, here I have my 55 chains, and this is what it looks like. So I'm going to stretch and measure, so just stretch it like this. We don't want to have a messed up work at the end, so crochet must always stretch, so that's why you have to be sure and stretch. So let's measure, and we have 15 inches, and that is perfect for me. We're going to chain one, and we're going to skip 1 and 2 chains from the hook, that is this and this. Go over to the next and make 1 double crochet. The 2 chains that we skip count as a double crochet actually, so just know that. I'm going to be making 1 double crochet in all the stitches. As you can see, my double crochet stitches are not they are not long, so I'm just trying to like make them together. Okay, so continue making 1 double crochet in all the chain that you have until you get to the end of the row. So guys, I'm here at the end of the row. This is our first row, and this is what it looks like. We're going over to the second row. We are also going to start the same way we started the first row, which is a chain of 2, which counts as a double crochet. Then since it counts as a double crochet, that means it covers for this. So this stitch is covered. We go over to the next and make 1 double crochet, and remember to not oops and remember to not make your double crochet loose, so that it will be the same length with your chain 2. Okay, so I will meet you at the end of the row to show you what to do next. So just continue making 1 double crochet in all the stitches that you have until you get to the end of the row. So guys, I'm here at the end of the second row, and I have these 2 chains left, which is my last stitch. I'm going to go into there and make my last double crochet. So we are done with our second row, and this is what it looks like. So to have equal length for the colors, we have, okay, so let me measure and show you guys. This 2 inches gives me one, sorry, these 2 rows gives me 1 inch, right? Okay, so that is to say, now my bust size is 40, and we're going to divide it into half because it's just the front that the clothes should cover, right? And that is giving us what, 20. Oh my god, look at me talking to you like a student. Okay, so that is 20. And if 2 inches gives us, if 2 rows gives us 1 inch, that means 40 rows is going to give us the 20 inches that we need. But we have 3 colors. What are we going to do? What we're going to do right now is to divide it into three, of course. And if we divide it into three, we will have one left. That is 13 rows. We will have one row, yeah, 1 inch or something like one left. Yeah, 13 plus 13, 26 plus 13 again, that is 39. So we have 1 inch left. And you know, crochet, once we stretch it a little bit, that 1 inch is covered. So we are good. 13 inches for the colors, for if you're working with my size. Okay, so you've seen the way I divided and subtracted and multiplied and did everything. So that is the same way you are going to do yours. You that is size small, size medium, size X large or X large or whatever you are. So that is the same way you are going to do yours. Okay. So keep repeating the second row until you get to your 13th row, then you change color. I think I'll meet you there to show you how I actually change my color. Okay, so that is understandable. Let's go ahead. See you at the end of the 13th row. I'm here at the end of the 13th row. I'll make my last double crochet, but I'm going to stop halfway just here. Then I'll bring the next color and use it to finish up the double crochets. Now I'll tie a knot with the both this end and this. We'll go ahead and make more 13 row with this color, and this is how you're going to be changing your colors. But if you have a better way of doing it, just go ahead and work with what you have. Okay, so I'm going to make 13 rows with this color and 13 row with the next color. I'm here at the end of the 39th row, and I will chain one, tighten, grab my scissors and cut the yarn off, pull out and tighten. So this is what our work looks like. Make the strap, we are going to start by making a slip knot, then we're going to make chains. I'm making around 200 to 250 chains. So when I'm done with mine, I'll come back to show you. So I made 220 chains because this is where they stopped. I actually wanted to stop at 200, but this particular strap stopped here. So I was like, let me just finish it off. So 220 chains. 200 chains was perfect for me though. So I'm stopping right here. I'll pull out and tighten that. So this is what our chain looks like. It is long. I don't know. Let me measure and show you people how long it is because I know that some people really like to work with measurements. Oh wow. Did you guys see? So this is how long it is, and I didn't fully stretch it, so it should be more than okay. So this strap is going through the neck to the back. So now you should choose where you want. Of course we use this color as a strap, so maybe we just have to attach it in this space here. So just like this. So guys, we've come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell for more crochet tutorials. Feel free to share your work with me on any social media platform at Glossy Woolworths. Bye, see you in my next video. Mwah.